So one of my favorite things to do is kind of create one of these photo arches and balloon arches. As you can see, I've set up here in front of a window just because it's easy to put everything on, like kind of the curtain rods. So there's this beautiful Merry Christmas that was super easy to put up, and actually was a great like learning tool for me and my kids to kind of find all the letters and blow them all up. This was also a gift to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest opinion. As you can see, I haven't seen these large balloons in so long, but there were so many balloons. And you do get this tape. So you get this ribbon, which I don't know if you can see, to kind of put all the balloons through. So you put the end of the balloon through here and you kind of go as much as you can. I try to do every loop or every other one if I can. And that's how you're going to create this beautiful arch. And then you do get these stickies to put everything through. So what you're going to do is you're going to put one of the stickies on the balloon, and then you can stick it on the balloon. So I'll show you. So I peeled it back, I have my sticky, and then we're going to place on the balloon, and then the sticky will transfer, and then we're going to stick it on to the wall. So you're just going to stick this to here, and then it just sticks right on, so you can kind of fill in the balloon. So if you're looking for a way to funly decorate for Christmas, this is definitely the way. This would make a great backdrop, and I'm actually going to take photos with me and my kids.